box number 7 recap. Jordan Lawler, refractor. Mason Black out of 99. Caro out of 99. Jordan Lawler base. Noah Miller sky blue. Tommy Mace sky blue paper. Kowser refractor. Carson Williams out of 250. Eric Ford refractor. Brady House. Another Lawler base. So 2 Lawler base in that box and a refractor of him. A nice Tyler Black auto. Joe Rock gold auto and class of 2021 Joe Mack at 250. That was box number 7 recap.